baby, I love you. Say, baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Baby, say, baby, I love you. I love you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and only Mimi. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my glass nails. This isn't really a tutorial. I have a whole tutorial on how I do my nails on there's a video that I did a long time ago. You can look at that. I'll link it down below. But right now I'm just putting on the nails. I'm finding my shapers to shape the nails. Don't mind the razor in the back and the eyelash. I use the razor to like cut feathers to put on my nails. So this is like my nail beauty table. There we go. So I'm taking the hard side of this file and I'm shaping the nails. I like to do coffin nails because coffin nails, they just shape my hand and they look better on my hand. So yeah, you can also use the drill to shape your nails, but I always just like to use the hand file and then I go in with the drill later on, as you'll see. I am not a professional, nor am I trying to be a professional. This is just what I do. I've been doing nails ever since I was in middle school, a little youngin'. So I pretty much adapted and found new techniques that benefit and work for me. Okay, I'm not saying that everybody's technique will work for you if you decide to do this. So I'm really just mainly focusing on the shape. I really do try to get that straight shape, nice and precise, everything looking nice, okay? Because we don't do no lumpy, clumpy, nasty nails. I like to get that sharp coffin, okay? So I'm just showing y'all the coffin shape next to the original shape before I shaped it. As you can see, the coffin is more, you know, sharp and sleeked in. So right now, I don't know where my applying the acrylic video went. I'm just putting some gel polish on your nails first. Once you have buffed it out, I use the same handheld file to buff over my nails, and I'm just putting this gel polish in. I got this off of Amazon. I believe I did show you guys the brand, and then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. This is what's going to make your nails see-through and glass-like. So I'm just taking some rhinestones. These are not Swarovski crystals. I'm gonna get those later on, but I'm just using the fake joints. They shine, they do what I needed to do, and I'm just taking a wax pencil and placing them on my nail with the 3-second glue. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing some random placements and random colors because I really want it to be, you know, pretty looking, colorful looking for my birthday. taking some smaller little rhinestones and placing it in the spaces between the nail. I don't end up doing this on all the nails just because I don't want the nails to be looking cluttered. I just do this on the thumbs, and yeah. This is how it pretty much looks after I'm all finished and done. They're really pretty. They're really cute. Something simple, but also extra at the same time because I'm extra. But yeah, I'm really loving them. They are on and popping. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.